Oh,
Much bigger than expected. The photographer took a picture.
Hey everyone, it's Ro. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm hanging out with my boyfriend Mike, or also known as HUSKY.
Hey guys.
Today we are watching the biggest proposal fails on the internet, and my heart is already breaking for everyone, and I'm already uncomfortable. And my sister Molly picked these out, so we haven't seen them yet.
Why did you put me in this video? Is this training for what not to do?
A little bit, yeah. If you enjoy watching these types of videos, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, click subscribe, it's free, and ring the bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video. Are you ready to see some proposal fails?
I'm already embarrassed for them, but here we go.
All right, happy couple at a resort by the beach. The waves are in the background. Looks like the sun could be setting.
Okay, well, so
She's
far,
getting down on a knee. She's going like this. She's so embarrassed.
so far this is pretty well
Wait,
thought
there's
out.
kissing. Oh!
How did that get so much distance on it? Oh geez, there it is, but there's no ring in there.
The ring fell out. Oh my gosh. I don't know if it's all of his friends or whoever is helping look for this ring, because not only did the ring fall over the ledge, but then the ring bounced out of the box. This was such a cute idea, and the execution, look, oh my gosh, she's
so happy. This is the best moment of her life. Okay, Molly just told us, according to the video, they never found the ring. And it says at the end of the video, if you find the ring, please contact us.
Oh no.
But they found love, and that's what matters.
That is what matters, you know, it's not about the material stuff, Mike. It's about the heart. Okay, we got a cute little couple here.
Starting out nice. What did she throw at him? Is that an apple? This was an emotional roller coaster.
Let's watch this again, but I think what you're seeing is shock.
She's holding an apple.
Oh, okay, so the couple is at an apple orchard and he's proposing and she's got an apple and she's eating her apple. Her initial reaction is throwing the apple at him. I think she thinks he's kidding.
She's like, stop playing around, this isn't funny.
I think she's like, stop, you know, maybe he's been doing this a lot, like the fake out.
Like the fake out, like,
doing a lot of the fake out. And then he does it here and she's like, oh, stop, like my heart can't take it anymore. And then she's like, yes, tackles him in love. All right, so what have we learned about the ring?
You gotta be careful in public places. You gotta be careful near water. Make sure she's not holding something that could be thrown at your head. Here we go, classic, we're at Disneyland.
Oh, in front of the castle, this is so cute.
Oh, the castle's beautiful.
How romantic, look at them.
She's so excited.
Look at him wearing all white.
Uh-oh.
No. Did he just take their ring?
He grabbed the ring, he totally has the ring. This looks like the perfect proposal spot too. So he picked it out, he's doing great.
People are yelling, they're clapping, they're like so excited. He took his ring out of his hand. And look at how laid back he is. He's so sweet.
I know.
He's not mad, he's just like, looks so confused. Oh, this is so messed up. I'm just gonna say this is awful because he has destroyed a once in a lifetime moment.
He's running in too. Look at him go. He's just wants to stop it before she can say anything.
He doesn't have any common sense. I feel like this guy would like push a baby stroller off of there. He'd be like, whoop.
Okay, we have a very cute couple here. I feel like they've probably been together, what, 3 years? They look like they're madly in love.
That's so cute.
She's already thrilled. I think she immediately knows what's coming.
Look at the bridge and the trees. This is gorgeous. Cute little setting.
If I've learned anything though, if there's water under there, they are absolutely doomed.
The last 3 years have been the best 3 years of my life. Oh,
okay, we got the kiss.
We got the kiss. Now
so
he's
far,
getting down
nothing
on one
awkward.
knee. She said, oh, she did
no.
that. No.
Oh, you can see it. There it is. It's right there in this frame.
No,
in this frame, you can see the ring.
No. Michael, what have we learned?
I am not going to propose on a bridge, on a boat, on a raft of any sort. It's not gonna happen.
Anything that can go wrong will go wrong. So we have learned rings and water do not mix.
Yeah.
And look at his face. Look at him.
He's so sad. We are in the woods.
Mm-hmm.
Looks like we're doing a very private proposal. Where's this kid going?
Oh, this cute little kitty's looking at the camera. They're doing this. She's crying. He takes the camera. Oh no, they're trying to film the moment. And the kid is now vlogging.
The kid is totally over it. Look how bored he is. He's just like, I want to play Angry Birds.
This would wedding proposal is adorable because I like how intimate it is. And the only thing that went awry was the filming of it. And I think it's adorable that it's a little kid, you know, like messing with the camera, like very innocent, very cute. Oh, this is so cute. Okay, we've got a couple. He's down on one knee. It says, "Marry me" over the fire. We're in the backyard. Got a little doggy. The dog is pooping. The dog is pooping in the background.
Why is it taking forever? Wait, is the other dog pooping too? He's doing the poop walk.
He's doing the poop walk.
I also love how it's happening right in the middle. There's no way to crop it out. You can't hide this from anybody.
Why would you want to? This is hysterical. Mike, would you call this a poop show?
This was an absolute poop show.
Oh crap, that's an owl. This just doesn't seem safe.
There's no way that this ends well.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, it's okay.
Oh, come back, Owl.
Did she lose the owl?
When's the moment that he realizes I should have really timed this better?
She's got the owl glove on with an owl, and she's like, I can't put on the ring because I literally have an owl on me.
Okay, well, Rosanna, I also learned I am not going to propose to you while you are holding giant birds of prey.
I don't know their backstory, so this may be their pet owl. They may love
Maybe the owl
owls.
introduced them?
There could be an owl tie, but if it isn't a part of like your story or an inside joke or something that's special to you, you have to say that he proposed while you're holding an owl.
This is already off to a terrible start. Do not be in running water. She said yes. Oh,
She said they're in a
We're
babbling.
unstable. We're unstable.
She said yes, and I broke my ankle.
Yeah.
I like that he's like, oh, babe, it's so beautiful here. I could just propose right on top of this rock.
Oh, isn't this water just beautiful?
I just can't wait another second. I'm going to put a stone on your finger while we're standing on these stones. This is awful.
Rosanna, I'm noticing a theme amongst many of these.
Oh, no, we're on the water again.
We are on the water again.
Okay, we're in a little paddle boat. We got a group of friends here.
Okay, I think they have posters
Oh,
saying
it's
something
so
about
cute.
marriage.
On shore, it says something. What does it say?
Oh, it's too low resolution. You can't see it.
Oh my god!
I think she slapped his hand.
He
Oh, she
dropped
literally
the
slaps
ring.
it right there.
Oh my god! Oh my god.
Oh my god, it's so bad.
Everybody goes like this. Hands over the mouths. He proposes. She goes, oh my gosh. You know this? Just a, oh my
Stop it.
gosh. Fumbles the ring into the water. Gone forever.
That's gonna be a long paddle boat ride home.
Oh no, you guys. We're by the water again. Got this great looking couple.
Have they learned nothing? And this guy, you can already tell, knows it's a bad idea because he's looking, is there a giant wave coming to blast me? And I'm not sure she's fully convinced. She looks cold. She's just like, I don't know. Okay, here we go. He's got the confidence.
Look at the background.
Here comes the
they're
Neil.
Oh no.
He's got a nice
Oh,
outfit too.
Oh, he's got a suit on and a tie. He looks so cute.
He's so happy.
Oh no!
Oh.
Oh,
Oh.
no! Oh! Oh! Oh!
Much bigger than expected! The photographer took a picture.
Oh my, that's awful. Mike, this is a moment you'd never forget. It is kind of funny, and they don't look like they got hurt. They just got really shocked.
And right here, I mean, this is life in general, right? Like, so happy in this very moment, and then seconds later.
Oh my gosh. I like that he tries to protect her. He
He
grabs
does.
her, and then they just get washed all the way to shore, helps her up.
So right here, he's still holding the ring and helping his lady, and I think he puts the ring away. So he held on to it.
His reflexes, what is he, a pro athlete? I could see why she's saying yes. This guy's nimble. I'm pretty impressed.
Okay, we've got the classic proposal at a baseball game.
David wants to know.
No, not sports
Will you
games,
marry
not
me?
this public. This is so much pressure, so much anxiety, just really overwhelming.
Is it just me or is she already backing away?
Her body language is not good, Mike. Uh-oh.
This is a big question.
Oh my gosh.
She looks excited.
She does not look excited. She looks terrified.
awkward commentary.
Oh my gosh, look at his face. He's so
Jessica,
happy. He's got the ring, but
everybody
she's just
wants
so
to know.
overwhelmed. Oh, this is
Yes
just
or
too
no?
much for her.
I can't.
David, I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
She, I don't mean to laugh.
Is this guy
You're-
commentating?
The answer's no.
Yeah, he's like, oh, I don't mean to laugh, sorry.
She said no. David, I don't think we've ever had this happen before. We'll be back the next half.
Oh boy, so uncomfortable. It's the commentary for me that just makes it even more uncomfortable.
When you propose to your partner in a televised setting,
Yeah.
you gotta have a little bit of a conversation first.
Like a little bit of like a hypothetical, what if?
Right, because that's so much immense pressure to put on someone. Does that face look like she's excited? The announcer cannot read a room.
She looks excited.
This is awful.
It flew off the rails immediately. Every second is a disaster. I can't. Looks like we're at a concert.
Concert on stage.
Why is... Uh-oh. I see what's gonna happen. There's literally a hole right in the middle of the stage.
This proposal is awful because there probably was a real injury falling through a stage.
Yeah, that looks like it hurt.
Hurts. I don't know their story. I don't know if they got married or not, but the body language is like...
All right, here's the ring. All right, we're at a mall. I don't know about the mall, guys.
Oh, the public settings. What was that?
Was that a baby?
Oh, no, is that a kid?
It's a baby.
No!
A full spin? Why is the baby
Horrible.
just sitting on top of the stroller?
Why isn't he strapped in?
You know those videos of like dad reflexes?
Yeah.
What is the opposite of that? Because he doesn't even notice. All right, we didn't have much luck with sports before, so let's try it again.
All right, what sports game are we at now? Is this soccer?
Looks like it.
She's putting the paper away in her pocket. Oh, she's giving one down on one knee.
I don't
Like
know.
she's proposing to him.
Is this the body language of a man who is thrilled?
I don't know. He did a slight step back, and now he's running away. Here goes the body language. Slight step back again, fight or flight. He's out of here. It's overwhelming, it's too much. I just wouldn't propose at a sports game unless it's a really special thing between you as like a couple, because otherwise, so much pressure. Televised for the whole world to see.
Okay, this one we have not one, but two boats. Which is a first. Maybe it'll break the curse of the bad water
I don't know,
boat
Mike.
situation.
Oh, look, he gave her the ring.
Wait, are they on different boats?
Oh, the same boat. Oh!
Oh, okay, quick save on her part, but
I like that I grabbed you.
I
like,
can't breathe. I'm not breathing anymore.
Okay, so he's on one boat, she's on another boat. They're right next to each other. The proposal,
It's when she hugs.
it's great news. He shows her the ring, she's really happy. He goes to kiss her. When she leans forward, somehow the gas gets hit and it drives into the land. And her friend almost falls in the water off the dock. This video is the hardest video for me to watch because I really don't want them to get hurt. This is a hot mess. This is just too many awful proposals. Mike, can you show me a cute one? Because I need one to like cleanse the palate, lift the spirits.
So to cleanse the palate, we have someone doing the read my lips challenge. You know, where they can't hear and they're trying to guess what they're saying.
Say a little slower. When will you marry me? Will you marry me? Okay.
Okay.
It didn't click till just now. She was like, she's thinking they're playing a game and it says, will you marry me? And she's like,
She's
okay.
like, I got a point. Cool.
Yeah, I got a point. Okay. And then look at her. Now she's like, oh my gosh, you're asking. Now it's becoming real.
Yes.
Oh, she's so cute.
I'm getting tingles. She's so happy.
Mike, this is adorable. I love that they're at home. It's really cozy and they're having like a family board game night.
Yeah.
Like they're doing game night like we do and it's just like so special. You remember those things forever. It's just so wonderful. All right, that does it for worst proposal fails on the internet. A big thank you to my boyfriend Mike for watching these with me.
This was super fun and I've learned a lot.
I've learned a lot.
So I feel prepared for potential things in the future.
Let us know in the comments down below, which proposal do you think was the worst? Which one do you think was the biggest fail? I think the one that scared me the most was the two boats.
The two
'cause
boats.
She looked like she got hurt, so I didn't like that one.
Yeah, I didn't like that.
And if you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, click subscribe, it's free, and ring the bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video. Also, I'll be putting all of Mike's social media links and stuff in the description down below, so if you want to go follow or like or whatever, you can. All right, thanks again for watching. Bye, guys.
Bye. And if you want to watch any other videos, you can click up on over here.
Yep, there. Or there.
You can do that one too.
Yeah, the exits are this way, this way. Also, let us know what other kind of videos you'd like to see us react to. Let me know in the comments. Okay, bye.